Hello guys, in today's video I'll be explaining you the continuation of my previous video from spinal cord. So spinal cord comes under the central nervous system. So the spinal cord is actually the continuation of the medulla oblongata of the brain. A cross-section view of the spinal cord contains gray matter and the white matter. There's where all the reflex action takes place. So you might be able to see the first diagram, that's up is the brain, then you can see few parts of the spinal cord, and below that diagram you can see the reflex action, the pathway. This is the gray matter, the inside one is the gray matter and the outside one is the white matter, and these all are the sensory nerves and the association nerves. So let's now move on to the functions of the spinal cord. The spinal cord conducts reflexes. Below the neck, it conducts sensory impulses from the skin to the brain. It conducts motor responses from the brain to the muscles of the trunk and limb. Reflex action. You have been hearing me the word reflex action. It's a new term. So reflex action basically means that few things are not controlled by brain. It is directly coordinated by the spinal cord. It does not require brain's thinking. Spinal cord controls some actions that do not involve the brain. For example, you are walking. If you step on a sharp object, if you're barefoot, then you immediately withdraw your leg, right? Because it's a pain. It doesn't require you any thinking. So it's done by spinal cord. It's known as reflex action. So this reaction is automatic and does not involve thinking about it. It is called a reflex action. So stimulus. A stimulus is also a new word. A stimulus is a change in the environment that triggers. So for example, for the example which I gave, the stimulus is the nail. You step on it and you immediately withdraw your leg. So the stimulus is the nail, some sort of behavioral change in the living organism. So it's some change, right? I withdraw my leg. Now let's move on forward to the reflex action and sense organ. Let me say you few examples of reflex action. I have given you one example. Now let's see few more examples. Sneezing. This is the most mostly came in your life to all who are watching. Sneezing, it is because of an unwanted particle entering your nose, and then immediate withdrawal of your hand. If you unknowingly touch a hot object, then you immediately withdraw your hand without any thinking. Then this withdrawal of your leg, that is already I have given you example. You step while you're walking, you step on a nail, you immediately withdraw your leg because there is no thinking required. Or if you're walking barefoot, then knee jerk reflex in response to tapping under the knee. Now there are sense organs. You all know there are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the sense organs which have the main sensations. There is all sense organs are directly connected to your brain. So the brain directly controls all these because it's the nearest, and the nerves, for example, eyes is connected from optical nerves to the brain, and they all are different nerves connected to the brain. So thank you, and I hope you all learned from this video, and this is the ending of our chapter, and I'll meet you in another video. Have a good day.